Good afternoon, everyone. I don't know if you can hear the church bells or not, but I've got some clouds, got some really iffy looking clouds, and good afternoon, Mr. Sun. You are out shining bright. There's a bit of a breeze. Oh, Glory is, well, looks like she's trying to crawl up my roof. Gonna go light a fire here pretty soon. Hopefully the wind will die down just enough to let me accomplish that for a while. A little bit of fire therapy gets me everywhere. Oh my, that's a wee bit cold. Probably putting up a piece of wood to prop it up to get the fire to start and protect it. All right, that was our musical intermission. All right, guys, have a fabulous day. Enjoy your Saturday. Spend time with your family. Much love. I'm out. 2/7/1700 UTC. From 7 to 8 UTC, the Schumann resonance remained consistently above power 40, and during this intense phase had today's highest value of power 69. From 9 UTC until the end of the graph, where there were still light movements, topping at power 13 between 14 and 15 UTC. 2/8/0930 UTC. A day of strong activity started at 23 UTC yesterday. The movements began, and within 2 hours, just before 1 UTC, brought the amplitude to the first of the 3 days' peaks above power 50. So the first peak reached power 52 at 0:45 UTC. The second peak reached power 58 an hour later at 1:45, and again at power 58 at 3:15 UTC. At the very time of this update, the activity is still very strong and increasing. The Schumann resonance, after an initial drop, is reaching power 40 again and rising. 2/8/11 UTC. The strongest part of today's activity so far has lasted about 11 hours from yesterday's 23 to 11 UTC today, when there has been a decrease in movements with values below power 15. 2/8/1700 UTC. Between 11 and 14 UTC, it has been mostly calm, then slight movements resumed, which exceeded power 10 a few times. Found on disclosurenews.it.